Have you ever stared at a raw dataset and wondered where to begin? Exploratory data analysis, EDA for short, is your toolkit for uncovering trends, spotting anomalies, and generating hypotheses before you dive into modeling. EDA isn't about fancy models. It's about asking the right questions. Your goals are to understand distributions, uncover relationships between variables, and detect outliers that might skew your insights. You'll also learn to spot unexpected patterns, like seasonal spikes or data entry errors, so you know exactly where to focus deeper analysis. Think of EDA as a loop: question, visualize, refine, record. Start with a clear question. Which region saw a sudden dip in sales? Then plot the data, examine what you see, adjust your focus with follow-up questions, and log every finding in a notebook or a shared document. This iterative flow keeps you from getting lost in details and ensures all insights are documented for your team. Your go-to visuals include histograms for distribution, scatter plots for variable relationships, box plots for spread and outliers, and correlation heat maps for a multivariable overview. For example, a box plot can instantly reveal if one product line has far more variability in sales than another. Each chart answers a specific question and guides your next move in the EDA loop. Grab the dataset. Start by plotting a histogram of your main metric, maybe monthly revenue, then create a scatter of two related fields. Note any spikes, clusters, or odd points, and share one surprising insight in the comments. Practicing this loop solidifies your approach and helps you build intuition for what matters in your own data. Today you mastered the EDA loop, defined your goals, and learned 4 core chart types to explore data effectively. You also saw how documenting each step prevents you from backtracking later. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Drop your biggest EDA takeaway in the comments.